Getting the error code 232011, the video file cannot be played error. Here are 6 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. Some users encounter an error code 232011 when trying to play videos online in their default browser. This prevents users from playing internet-based videos. Here, we have shown how you can fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Mostly, this problem occurs because of corrupted browser data which accumulates over time. If you're having this issue, you may wish to clear cache, cookies, and browsing history and see if that resolves the problem. For Chrome, open Chrome and select the 3 dots. Select More Tools option. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Finally, select the items that you want to be deleted. Click Clear Data and then restart the Chrome browser. Method 2. If you're still unable to play your video file and it throws the error code 232011, you just need to turn off hardware acceleration and this should fix the problem. Press the Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Click on Yes when the UAC window appears on the screen. Navigate to the following registry location: hkey_current_user/software/Microsoft/Avalon.graphics. You can find the Disable HW acceleration key here in the right pane. In case it is not there, create one. Right-click on empty space and select New and then select dword 32-bit value. Assign the key name Disable HW acceleration, then hit Enter. Double-click on the newly created dword key and set its value data 1. Click OK and then close Registry Editor. Restart your computer and see if that solves the error code. Method 3. The extensions or add-ons installed on your browser can prevent JW Player from playing the video. However, we do not know exactly which extension is causing the problem. In that case, we recommend you disable all the extensions and check to see if the issue continues. For Chrome, open Chrome and click on the 3 dots. Click on Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Disable the toggle next to the extensions to disable them. If this method works, then enable the extensions one by one and identify which extension was causing the error. Once you have found it, uninstall that problematic extension and your issue should be resolved. Method 4. The next thing you can do is reset the browser settings. For Chrome, click on the 3 dots and select Settings. Click on Reset Settings from the left panel. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on Reset Settings and wait for it to complete. Method 5. It has been reported that some users who experienced the same problem were able to resolve the issue by disabling the proxy servers. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run command. Type inetcpl.cpl in the text box and press Enter. When the Internet Properties window opens, switch to the Connections tab. Now click on the LAN Settings button. Next, go to the Proxy Server category, then uncheck the box next to Use a Proxy Server for your LAN. Once your proxy server has been disabled, restart your computer to see if the issue has been resolved. Method 6. If these methods do not work, try switching to a different web browser and see if that resolves the issue. Many affected users have found this workaround to be helpful. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.